Okay, Central PA, we're in the thick of it, and I ain't kidding today. It's snowing. The snow is coming, but it's a nice snow. It's just snowing, getting that Christmas spirit in. See the snow in the background, the mountains. And we're gonna head in Walmart. It's a nice snow though, it's not stopping anybody. It's just a light, wet snow, but it looks nice. So we're heading, see what's going on. Some guy was getting nasty. I don't know what that was all about. Some nut job. I'm pointing the camera inside. He's over there. Don't take my picture. I don't want to break my camera, sir. And as a rule, I don't take anyone's picture. Anyone could verify that when I do these videos. That's why sometimes I keep the camera low. I'm not here to film anybody. I'm here to do the watches and the Ozark Trail. They're sporting all their stuff. These people don't mind to be filmed. They're polite too about it. Anyway, we're in the thick of it. It's snowing out today, central Pennsylvania. Nice snow, not too crazy, not stopping any cars. So another good day to get out. Nice sweatshirt. I'll cut over here. Christmas treats are out. Not bad. Christmas treats are out. We'll hit the watches again. Nice Sketcher watch. Not a bad watch. Here's the calculator. Same stuff from yesterday. Another nice Georgie watch. Not a bad. Every time I look at these watches, you find one more that you never seen. Chronograph one. Let's see if this sucker works. It's probably just for looks. But it looks cool. With that thick band, $12. They got to put 12 on that. Can't go for 9 because that's top of the line. No, but that's a nice watch. Sometimes you come here 1,000 times, and you see something that you overlooked. Like this nice Amatron. Look at that. That is, man, I love that crown, man. Look at that. That is cool. $40 watch. Casio dive. I like this oversized one. It's actually cool. I like big watches, but I like the regular size in that one. The dive watch. I'm looking to grab one of them on sale one day. A friend of mine wants one too. I wish they would restock them. This is like an old classic one. Analog one. Nice Casio watch though. Very nice. 10-year battery, $21. Can't beat that. You could have it forever, that watch. That watch will last you forever. You get a battery every 10 years. Quality's unbelievable on those Casio watches. Even the cheap ones. Alright, we're going to scan through this. Another Georgie watch, field watch. Not bad looking. Not bad looking at all. $9.98. You don't want to know what I'm back here for again. That Ozark Trail, not the Multiforce, that's good. I found a fix for that. The Ozark Trail 17-in-1. There's quality control. I found I'm kind of nitpicking, but you know I paid for it, and I want to get one that's a little better quality control. So I'm going to change another one. It's going to be the third one now I'm on. But actually the first one, it's like this first one because the first one only had minor scratches. I was just nitpicking with it. I should have kept it. It had character already, but I should have never changed it. There's a lining, if I do another video on it, there's a lining inside that has attached to like these rivets, and it happened to come off the track, and I noticed it. I put it back on, but I'm nitpicking. I could live with it, but I figured I'm here today, get a chance to film again, and I just change it while I'm here. It's just a quality control issue. That's all it is. Look at this thing. Trail cruise. Look at this. Yeah, so I'm going to change it. We'll take a quick look at the knives again. But it shouldn't have any change because whatever's been out's out. I don't think they put anything new for some reason. But I hope they still have these Ozark trails. I know they do. They were over here. This is where I found it. Yeah. They have another one. I hope I have better luck with this one. Inspect it a little bit. Looks okay. Looks okay. Look at this Camilla's. I gotta try one of them and review it. Can't beat the price on that. $9, $12 for that one. A saw. I like that knife. But this one looks good, or the other one, I don't know. Let me see the other one. Third one I gotta have better luck with, please. I don't want to keep coming back here. It ain't right. This one looks like it's pretty good. This one looks okay. Let's see what they got over there. Let's see what they got over there. I'll inspect them on the way back. Cause I don't want to come back. Keep coming back. Let's take a look in the case. What they got. You know, I didn't think about it. They're supposed to have Leatherman. They're supposed to have Leatherman multi-tools, and I don't see any Leathermans here. I see Kershaw, the Blur, of course Ozark Trail, and Gerber. Plenty of Gerber, the center drive, which I love. But there is no Leatherman. That's a little weird, unless Leatherman stops selling for them with them. Here we go. Oh, they did restock this one, the one I have, the flipper, the green one. I love this knife. This was well worth buying that day. Well worth buying. They don't have the access lock one, aka shaft lock. Yeah, they don't have it. That's a nice fixed blade for $5. You can't beat that. Fixed blade by Ozark Trail. Some of these knives you just can't beat for the, they were hit and miss, some of them, but most of them are hit. And you can't beat them. But I don't see that thing nowhere in sight. Not in this Walmart anyway. If I hit another Walmart, I will film it. There's that rifle again. If I hit another Walmart, I'll film it. But yeah. All right, I'm going to go pick that 17-1 up. I'm going to pick that up, and I'm going to try another one. I'll go to customer service with it. They're flying off the shelves. Everyone have a great day. Peace out.